Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my perfect cat eye winged eyeliner. I haven't worn any kind of eyeliner in the last 4 years, so to be honest, this experience was really scary, but it only took me about 10 minutes to do, which is not too bad. A lot of things could have gone wrong. I could have had to redo the entire thing. It could have been a whole mess. But if I can do it after 4 years, which means practically like no practice at all, if I can do it, then I'm sure you guys can as well. So if you'd like to see how I do my winged eyeliner, then please keep on watching. So before I start wearing any kind of eyeliner, trust me, I have used so many eyeliners in the past. I've used gel eyeliners, which I do not like. I've used liquid eyeliners. I have also used, actually I think those are the only ones, aren't they? Like pens, like little eyeliner pens. Sorry, that was just a bus going past. But do you know what? The only ones that have worked for me are the liquid eyeliners. The pens, what I found is that they're normally quite thick, like this L'Oreal one. I've used this one before and it just doesn't work. The pen dries out really quickly. The nib of it, or I don't know what you call it, but the pointy bit of it is just too thick. So you can't just have a thin eyeliner if you wanted to. With gel eyeliners, I feel like I just don't have too much control. I can't use brushes on my eyelid to sort of outline. So for me, just the application of it just does not work. I've used this Benefit one before and it is difficult. Again, I can't really do a thin eyeliner. I mean, there are some girls who can, you know, do a really good cat eye look with those sort of eyeliners, but it's just not for me. For me, I prefer using a matte one and I prefer using a liquid one. So this Maybelline one is actually really good because the tip of it is so thin. There you go. So the tip of it is just so thin that it makes the application so much easier, and also you can just wipe off any excess in the bottle itself, so the application of it is just so easy. So let's move on to the application. Okay, I'm actually a little bit nervous to film this. I haven't done my eyeliner in almost 4 years now, so wish me luck. The way I like to do them, or the way I used to do them, is I would do it in 3 parts. Obviously you've got 3 parts of your eye, so you've got the middle, the outer corner and the inner corner of your eyelid. The way I normally do it is start from the middle, work my way out, and then focus a little bit on the center, or on the inside. So I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama liquid eyeliner, and this is matte. Make sure to use a matte eyeliner, it just always looks better. If you can see it, I've just taken it out, and what you want to do is really take off some of the excess from that brush. You don't want to go in too thick because then it will be too difficult to try and fix it, and all you can do to fix it is just make it a little bit thicker. I personally like a really thin cat eye. I don't like too much drama on my eyelid, so what I do is look in my camera, which is just, look into my mirror, which is in my hand here. The same as you would to apply eyeshadow, you kind of want to work from the middle going to the outer corner of your eye. If you prefer it bigger and thicker, then obviously you can build up, but you don't want to go too thick in the beginning because it's difficult to come back. Do you see what I mean? You don't really need to do too much. And then I like to draw the tail of my wing and then gradually bring it in towards the center and try to join the top line of your wing to the top line of the center of your eyelid, if that makes sense. And then finally what you want to do is smaller strokes from the inner corner of your eye, building it up to the center, sort of going from thin to thick, if that makes any sense at all. And now I'm going to work on the other one. So again, you want to do thin strokes from the center of your eyelid going to the outer corner. Now this bit is difficult, trying to get the tail of this eye the same as the other side. And there you go, that was quite simple, wasn't it? All that's left to do now is just to wear a bit of mascara and we're good to go. I bought this yesterday actually, this is called the Falsies by Maybelline, and it's like a volumizing mascara. So, oh, I've never used these kind of ones before. Let's see what this does. So that's it. That was easy. It only took me about 10 minutes. It makes such a big difference when you use the right tools. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please give it, if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a new video. But that's it from me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.